Good morning guys, I'm here in Shanghai, China, and today I'm about to catch the Maglev, one of the fastest trains in the world. It clocks up speeds of about 270 miles an hour, over 400 kilometers per hour. It's pretty slow, right? And in Shanghai the train runs between the city center and the airport, and I'm not going to the airport today. I just want to check out the Maglev. I didn't manage to be able to get it when I came to Shanghai because I landed at 3 AM in the morning and the train doesn't run at that time. And so today I'm going to get the train there, and I'm going to get the train back, and I'm going to show you the experience of a Maglev train in Shanghai, China, and the insane speeds those trains go. The reason why it's so fast is because the actual train is kind of levitated off the ground, and so there's less friction on the ground, which means it have a smoother, faster sort of, it's extremely amazing technology, right? But anyway, let me show you what the experience is all about. Let's go. Hello, can you get a round trip, please?
Not ready.
Yeah.
Yeah, John.
Thank you. Oh, this place is pretty cool. So we covered 30 kilometers in about 6 minutes, as you saw. The technology on these trains is unbelievable. So now I'm going to go back to where I came from, another 30 kilometers, and that'll take me 6 minutes again. That's crazy. Yeah, this is Pudong Airport in Shanghai. It's about 30 kilometers outside the center, and so they've built that Maglev. This is fantastic infrastructure, so it's very quick between the city center and the airport, and 6 minutes, man. 6 minutes. Super quick. Alright, so now I'm going back on the Maglev, back into Shanghai. Like I say, I always did this to feel the experience, and compared to the Japanese bullet train, it's not as smooth, it's not as comfortable. I have to say that Japanese bullet trains are supremely comfortable and feel fantastic. I mean, it's still a very cool experience. I've head back now, and in 6 minutes we'll be back in the city centre. back where I began. Job done. I'm back in the same location here that I was about 40 minutes ago. I've covered 60 kilometers. I've gone to the airport and back. Technology on there is incredible. The Maglev is definitely worth just even jumping on. It cost me about 80 in Chinese currency, and so not a lot of money at all when you convert it to US dollars or euros or pounds, just to go and experience that train for, you know, half an hour and just feel the best engineering in the world. That was a pretty cool experience, and we got to see a train, or be on a train going at 430 kilometers per hour, which is bloody quick. That's all I'll say. So yeah, the Maglev train in Shanghai, China. Pretty goddamn dope. Fantastic technology, just dope. All good.